So as we all know, Minenssey's Superstar Clay Mask won a bunch of Best in Beauty awards last year, and now they've come out with a whole new daily skincare routine that I'm excited to try today. There are two key ingredients within this range. There's the deep moisturising flannel flower from Australia, and then there's the ACB yogurt dermal respiratory factor, which is a cutting-edge new probiotic that's good for skin health. The botanical ingredients work hard to boost the skin's hydration, while the probiotic ingredient helps to maintain a healthy skin microbiome and preserve the skin's moisture. So first up, we've got the cleanser, and apart from the first two ingredients that I just mentioned, this one also contains naturally sourced AHA Desert Red Quandong, which gently resurfaces the skin without stripping it. So unlike other cleansers, this one feels super hydrating and it isn't leaving my skin tight and dry like I've found other cleansers can. It also smells really good. Next is the facial essence, which is a cut above your regular toner. It's a step that a lot of people skip, but is actually really essential to a healthy skin routine. To use it, just give the bottle a little bit of a shake, put some into your palms, and then press it into the skin. It contains hyaluronic acid, which penetrates into the skin to provide deep moisturization. Next is the Flannel Flower Absolute, which a lot of you already know and love. And what I love about this product is that it's really lightweight, but you still get that intense hydration. And the final step to lock in all that hydration is the face cream. It is super lightweight, it spreads really easily, and is just really soothing on the skin. And because it's so lightweight, this product is amazing to apply before your makeup. It won't feel heavy or greasy at all. Okay, so now that I've used all of the products, it's safe to say my skin is feeling super plump, hydrated, and smooth. The best part about this though is that my skin doesn't feel greasy, so I feel like you could definitely apply makeup straight away and have no problems whatsoever. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys try these Minenssey products, let us know via Beauty Heaven, and see you soon.